recall in my recent Fear of God Essentials video, I broke down my thoughts on the Spring/Summer 2026 collection, and I'm well aware that not everyone will want to pay those prices, especially when it comes to, let's say, nylon pants. You just want something that's easy to throw on, and it's comfortable, and they're lightweight, and they really do give you the athleisure look that you want. You just want to be comfortable. And also, I think they're pretty versatile. I like to travel in nylon pants. You can wear them to the gym as like a top layer, and then of course just, take them off and wear shorts as you warm up during your workout. Maybe you just want to wear them around casually throughout the day. Either way, I love nylon pants. I have tons of them. I have wide leg pants. I have pants that open at the bottom. I have the cuffed nylon pants. Some of them are lined, some of them aren't. And I brought up a brand in that video that could be an option that I would look at. And trust me, you never know what you're going to get if you come across a brand on Instagram. I'm just being real, because I'm sure some of you have done what I've done before. You've come across a brand and maybe it worked out and maybe it didn't. And then sometimes you can't even get your money back, right? So I didn't know what I was getting myself into, because they actually don't have a large social media presence. So if I go to their social media, and the brand is Sigmas. So if I go to their social media, sigmas.official on Instagram, they only have 2,793 followers. So you're not sure what you're going to get. And I said, you know what? I guess I'm just going to take a chance, because there was a post that came across on my feed, and I'll go ahead and throw it up here just so you guys can see. And it was a guy, and he was actually in a two-piece set. So wide leg bottoms, nylon, and a jacket. And I thought to myself, okay, actually, if you're just traveling or something, this seems like a really easy outfit to be able to put on. A lot of times when I'm traveling, I like nylon pants because I don't tend to overheat in them. If I get so hot, because of course on a plane, before you take off or you land, they have to turn some of the thrusters in the engine, or turn some of the components within the cabin off. So usually that's the AC. It can get rather hot. If that happens, I can actually just pull the nylon pants off my leg. I'm just saying it works, okay, to be able to cool yourself down. So I have that option. I like them, again, lightweight, but I'm also not freezing on a plane. There is a layer over my legs. So I thought, okay, like matching set. I don't know if I'll do the set, but I'm interested in the pants. So I saw that, went to the actual website. So they're normally listed, traditional retail, it says $65, but every single time I've gone on here, they've actually been only $34. I don't know if that's intentional. If it is, I mean, we have already talked about how people have the mindset of like, oh, like I'm saving money if something is on sale or there is a sale, present. And we've already discussed, like, no, you're not. Did you take did you intend to, let's say, spend 65 and now you're only spending 34? So did you take the difference of that and did you go save it, or did you go to like Chipotle? Like I would naturally do. It does matter. But in this instance, let's just say, hey, I'm looking at it as they're priced at $34 because I've seen them at $34 for some time. I placed my order for 2 different pairs, so you guys are able to see that here on screen. So I got the Reflect wide leg pant. I believe this is like one of their best seller pants. So I got them in black, but then also in army green. And I chose these because, again, they both are just neutrals. Army green is a neutral. Olive is a neutral. Embrace that in your fits. I got those 2 colorways, but they do also offer other colorways. So you have beige, you have a navy colorway as well. They just call it blue. And then finally, you have a darker tan color that they just call brown. So you have 5 total colors for that pair of pants at $34. They're all mostly in stock. Some are sold out for brown, but they're mostly in stock and they restock a lot, just as FYI. I didn't know what to expect with shipping, but shipping actually didn't take that long. So they say, orders for USA, orders placed are delivered duty paid, which means no customs or duties are charged to me because they are being shipped from overseas. Like so many things that, businesses that run, they're being shipped directly over here to you. So I didn't have to pay anything additional. It was just what I paid on the website for the actual item and then taxes and shipping. And so you pay for your order, and it did arrive within a very timely fashion. And you do have the plastic bags that we're so used to for so many things. So you have the plastic bag that it ships in, and then you also do have this really wide, it is a massive card that just says Sigmas and then the logo on the other side. That's it. Now, for the pants themselves, they have only one little branding detail. Some of the other pants have other ones, but for these, it just says ARC. That's it. It just says ARC on the leg. It's on the left leg, and with the black ones, you can't even really see it. Like, you guys won't really even be able to see it, like, on camera. You can't really see it, and it says ARC, and then it is visible on the olive green pair, the army green pair that I have. And when it comes to the actual fit itself, so I went with the small. If you look at the description, It says our pieces are designed with a relaxed fit. For a relaxed oversized look, just choose your usual size, because your usual size is still going to be roomy. You're still going to have pretty much slack in the pants, right? It's not going to be tight in any way. And then it says for more athletic or true to size fit, size down. And then for those in between sizes, they recommend sizing down just because, again, they're already loose. So based on the size chart, I went with the small, and I'm glad that I did. So it does stretch. You guys are able to see in the waist, there is certainly stretch there. And then the hip circumference is usually the really big thing, at least for me, and then the leg circumference, because like I need the pants to fit my legs. Okay, I've told you guys the horror stories. Like sometimes I wonder who's fitting these pants as grown men. They're like 6 foot, and they'll wear like a 30 or a 31, and I'm just trying to get that size because I need like my like actual legs to fit, and it just doesn't fit at all. It doesn't fit me, but it somehow fits this 6 foot male model. So the small fits me well. You guys are able to see on screen how they fit. I'm sure I could go up to a medium. The only concern would be in the waist. How loose is that going to be? Because it doesn't have the traditional like tie on these pants. Instead, it's more considered the infinity elastic loop on these pants, just in terms of the elasticity that you have in there. Now, if you wanted to cut it and make it a tie, I mean, sure you could. I'm probably not going to do that at all. Overall, do I feel like personally for me, these are worth it with them just being a mostly nylon pant, and then they do have some stretch in there. For $34, yes, because this is the same thing that I would likely pay if I were just like running up the mall to Hollister to be able to buy a pair of nylon pants, which I've done recently. You guys were actually able to see those pants in the Nike Air Max 95 Big Bubble Neon video. Did you see them in there? No, actually, my apologies. You saw them for my first pickup, which was the Brooks Cascadia 1 in collaboration with Staple, and the ginger and Ren and stormy weather. It's really earth tones and some just really fire blue and pink mixed in there. So you guys are actually able to see like a nylon pair of Hollister pants, that tan/brown pair that I have. I think it was on the far right. Those are from Hollister, and I think those are on like deep discount, and maybe I paid like $25 possibly. So I pay a little bit more for these, and listen, they fit my phone, which is a really nice thing. Lightweight, they can be machine washed and just hang them up to dry, which is what you do most things that are nylon, and I'm good to go. So I guess like drop a update in a future video just to let you guys know like how they wash and launder, because I'm certainly probably gonna wear these when I go travel soon, just to be able to again throw them on, because nylon pants are something that I like to throw on. But for $34, I'm actually pretty pleased with these. So this is not like a alarm for you to go out and spend money with Sigmas or anything, but I just wanted to give you an update because I know someone said like, hey, were you gonna do a review on Sigma's pants if you get them? And more than happy to do that, because I bought them because I honestly wanted to give them a try, and I got rid of quite a few of my Gymshark nylon pants because they just didn't fit the same anymore, and they also had more of a tapered fit. I didn't want a tapered fit. I wanted something that was wide leg, and you guys were able to see in the video these pants on with not only so I did do 2 different shoes at once, okay? So the Air Max 95 Neon, and then the Nike Mind 001, just to show you what they will look like falling on top of the pants, or falling on top of the shoe, the pants falling on the shoe. But I also gave you guys a look if you were just to wear, I don't know, a Nike SB Dunk Low, okay, with the pants. So if you're someone that doesn't like a wide leg fit, if you don't want most of your shoe, the upper of your shoe being covered by these pants, then clearly they won't be for you, okay? They won't be for you. Some of you can't stand wide leg pants, and that's okay. Please go with your straight fit or your skinny fit or whatever works for you, because I'm never going to tell you what to wear and what not to wear. That's stupid, right? So I appreciate you tuning into this video. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.